Hi everyone, today I will show you a very simple and nice textured stitch. It's called Alpine Stitch. So let's start with making a slip knot. You will then need to chain an even number of chains. I will do 10. So yarn over and pull through the loop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 chains. You will then chain 1 and do a single crochet in the second chain. So 1 single crochet in the next chain, 2, 3, 4, and you should have 10 single crochets at the end of the row. So you can see it here. You will then chain 2 and turn your work around. In the third stitch, you will do a double crochet. 1. In the next one the same, 2. And you will basically do double crochets until the end of the row. And at the end of the row, you will have 10 double crochets, as for my case. Chain 1, turn. In the second chain, you will do a single crochet. So 1. In the next one, you will do single crochet as well. 2. And at the end of the row, you will have 10 single crochets. This is how your work should look. You will then chain 2, turn your work, yarn over, and you will do front post double crochet. So put your hook through the first double crochet, yarn over and pull through. You will have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 of them, and then yarn over and pull through the rest. In the next stitch, you will do a double crochet. And again, and you will basically need to change it. So 1 front post double crochet and 1 double crochet until the end of the row. So 1 front post double crochet again. And 1 double crochet in the next stitch. The last stitch will be a double crochet. This is how it should look. You will then chain 1, turn your work. In the second stitch, you will do another single crochet. And basically you will do a single crochet in every stitch until the end of the row. So at the end of the row, you should have 10 single crochets. This is what it looks like. Then you will chain 2, 1, 2, turn your work. And here on top of front post double crochet, you will do the double crochet. So 1 double crochet. And in the next stitch, where the usual double crochet was, you will do a front post double crochet right here. So front post double crochet. And again, in the next, we do double crochet. So on top of the previous front post double crochet, we do a normal double crochet, and we basically keep alternating it. And we do that until the end of the row. So front post double crochet. And the last 2 stitches should be double crochets. So this is how it looks. We will then do chain 1 and do single crochet in the second stitch, followed by single crochet in every other stitch. Chain 2 at the end of the row and turn. And again, you will start with front post double crochet where the previous double crochet was. And you will do a double crochet on the previous front post double crochet. So you're kind of alternating it. So wherever front post double crochet on the previous row was, you would do double crochet and vice versa. So you do that until the end of the row. Then you do another row with single crochets and just keep alternating front post double crochets and double crochets. So that's it for today. If you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see each other in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.